What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. You put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 fractional share stocks. You put $500 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited offer, limited time. Don't miss it, guys. Get yourself down in that description box. Click on that Webull link. Open up that Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Webull brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened that Webull account. Let me know you funded it, and I will send you out that Webull tutorial video ASAP Rocky. Well, guys, it's Sunday, and it's Easter Sunday. And I want to say happy Easter to all of y'all out there that celebrate Easter. I celebrate it because I'm a Christian and I believe in Jesus Christ. And I believe he rose on that third day. Now, again, y'all know my channel is not a political channel. It's not a religious channel. But hey, man, listen, if you don't believe in something, you're going to fall for everything, right? I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in God. And that has taken me through a lot of rough times in my life, guys. I mean, I can easily not even be here right now had it not been for God, had it not been for Jesus Christ. So I'm never going to, shy away from that. I'm never going to be ashamed to say that. And again, you may not believe in that, and that's okay. That's how I am, guys. I don't try to force what I believe in on, what somebody else believes. You believe whatever you want to believe. I'm just letting you know that's what I believe in. And it has gotten me through a lot of tough times. So happy Easter. Let's have another year of hopefully peace and prosperity, right? And I know right now for a lot of y'all, including me sometimes, it looks a little shaky. When I'm looking at the stock market, when I'm looking at the economy, it's a little shaky. A lot of stuff going on that is out of our control. I'm getting a lot of emails. I'm getting a lot of DMs from people asking, Richard, I'm freaking out. I see my 401k. I see my brokerage accounts. I see my Roth IRA starting to decline in value. What should I be doing? How can I mitigate that? How can I stop the bleeding? Should I get out of stocks? Should I get out of paper assets altogether for a while? And I spoke on this a little bit yesterday in my video yesterday where I told you guys that's a personal decision. For me, how do I get myself back off the ledge when it comes to my investments, seeing that they've declined? I mean, my investments, my portfolio is down probably 15-20%. So how do I sleep at night? Well, I got to rely on my experience. I got to rely on history. And history tells me the stock market has been a phenomenal way to build wealth if I'm willing to be patient. If I'm willing to, from time to time, get on the roller coaster that the stock market is sometimes. If I'm willing to continue to earn and take that money that I earn and keep buying big boy blue chip paper assets for long-term wealth building, if I'm willing to do that and be patient, I've been rewarded over the last 30 years, guys. So that's all I can do is go back on my experience, my history, and say, okay, you got 30 years of doing this, man. When times have presented themselves like we're having presented to us right now, what did you do? And for me, guys, I kept buying. But I wasn't buying any old thing. I was buying only proven big boy blue chip paper assets with a historical track record of making money and multiplying money. And for me, I got another 9 years before I need this money to take care of me in my old age. I got another 9 years before I fully retire. So I have to ask myself, well, Richard, okay, temporarily right now, you got a portfolio that's declining in value, but you're continuing to buy more of these big boy blue chip assets at a discount. Do you believe 9 years from now, it would be worth it? See, that's the question I got to answer, guys. And for me, yes, absolutely it's worth it. I believe 9 years from now, we better off than we are today. That's what I believe. But you got to ask yourself that. What do you believe? Do you believe you'll be better off 9 years when it comes to your wealth building than you are today? Some people are saying, no, I don't believe that, Richard. Then guess what you should do? Take your money out of the stock market and put it in something that is safe. The principal's guaranteed. Maybe you put it in some CDs at your local bank, FDIC. Maybe you buy a treasury bond. Maybe you just buy gold. That's what a lot of people are doing. They're just going to gold. Whatever you feel like you need to do in order to have a peace of mind at night where you can go to sleep, that's what you should be doing, guys. I'm not here to tell you investing in the stock market in these volatile times is for everybody, because it's not. If you ain't built for it, get out. Some people are not built for this. I'm built for it. Why? Because I never put 100% of my money in the stock market. I always keep dry powder on the sideline. Always. So that I can sleep at night. And that's what I tell people. It says, listen, man, you got to ask yourself, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, if you continue investing, buying the dip, and then when these things go back to a premium, if you believe that, and you believe your net worth is going to increase, stay the course. If you don't believe that, get out. You got to be built for this thing, man, and this type of volatility we have right now with what's going on in the world from an economic standpoint, just from a political standpoint, from a social standpoint, from a religious standpoint. It's a lot going on in the world, man. And you just got to ask yourself, do you believe this will get better? I believe it'll get better. I believe inherently people, or most people, want good. I think there are more people in this world that want good than people that want bad. But that's the way I think, and that's the way I'm wired. So I always look for the best in people. Sometimes I run across people that you look for the best in them, and they're just not capable of giving you that. But that doesn't mean the whole world's like that. America right now, we're in a situation where we got to decide. We got to decide if we want diversity in this country or not. That's what we got to decide. All of this stuff that's happening, in my opinion, right now in the United States is about that very issue. See, America right now is a melting pot of a lot of different groups of people. And the majority is starting to turn into the minority. And that's a scary thing for the majority. So when you get someone that comes along that offers a solution to that, sometimes the majority says, let's go along with that. But again, I still inherently believe people are good. Most people are good. They want good. Sometimes those people are persuaded to go a different direction given certain things that people say. But inherently, I think people are good, and that's what I'm going to bet on. I'm going to bet on that we will be better tomorrow on all fronts, economically, socially, politically, religiously. I think we'll be better tomorrow than we are today. So I'm going to stay invested in big boy blue chip paper assets. I'm going to keep building my wealth. I'm going to keep buying the dip. I'm going to keep money on the sideline. So if I do start feeling the pressure, I know I got money on the sideline that can take care of me until things turn around. And I would recommend you consider that as well. You guys know for years I've been telling y'all emergency fund. Put the emergency fund together. Now is a time to probably increase that emergency fund from 3 to 6 months to maybe 12 months. Increase it to 12 months. If that helps you sleep at night. But if you are not in a position where if you got fired tomorrow from your job and you could not pay your bills, I don't think you can afford not to invest. That's my opinion though. That don't mean it's so. I'm just giving you my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is me giving you my opinion. If you cannot lose your job tomorrow and you have sufficient cash on hand or investments on hand that you can take money and take care of yourself until you get back on your feet, you may want to consider staying invested. I'm not saying every penny of it. I'm just saying some. Maybe you move some to safety, you keep some in there. Now, for you folks that are getting close to retirement and you don't believe you got a time to recover, Richard, I don't have 2 years to recover. I don't have 3 years to recover. I want to retire in 2026. I want to retire in 2027. I want to retire in 2028. Then you may want to think about a strategy that starts moving your money to something else. Still get a return on it, but maybe not as much of a return so that you can reduce your risk of losing your principal. That's an option for some of you folks. I don't know, man. All I can tell you is do something to build yourself some wealth to protect yourself financially. If you're dependent on Social Security or, some other program that the government has, I'm not saying those programs won't be there. I'm just saying, would it be a shame that you depend on those programs and then they disappear? Then what are you going to do? So please, get yourself some wealth, man. Figure out what's most important to you and your family and march to the beat of that drum. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to tell you what I'm going to be doing. And I got 30 years of experience doing this, and I know what the stock market is capable of. I still think it's capable of that. I think right now, investors are just unsure of what's going to happen with tariffs. They're unsure of what's going to happen with a lot of things. So you're not seeing the level of investment we would normally see in a more calm and predictable economy and stock market. Will we get back to that one day? I think we will. I appreciate y'all checking in. Again, happy Easter for those that celebrate Easter. If you want up to 20 free stocks from Webull, you know what to do. Get yourself down in the description box. The first link is the Webull link. Click on it. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfame.net is the website address. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life. Matter of fact, it will help you get your financial literacy up so that you can have your logical thinking cap on so that you are not afraid about what's going on right now. I'm not saying you shouldn't be a little bit afraid, but there got to be something in your life that means more to you than your fear. If you don't have something in your life that means more to you than your fear, then you're going to sit on the sideline and ain't going to build no wealth. These digital products will help you get your confidence up. So check them out. Thousands of you guys have already done that. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got 1,900 wealth builders headed to 2,000 in our financial community. All we do in that community is help each other build wealth through best practices, golden nuggets, tips, what's working, what's not working, and just providing a safe haven for people to be able to ask questions about building wealth. We're not experts. We don't try to be experts. We don't try to tell you what to do. But when you got 1,900 people, almost 2,000 people in your financial community, you got a lot of experience, guys. And that experience can help you, especially for you folks out there that are scared and afraid. Hey, man, it's always good to have a support system. So consider joining us. Just click on that join button, that membership button inside of the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Come join us. We'd love to have you. We'd love for you to be a part of our team. Stop by the channel for the first time. Please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.